Hello and welcome back to my live stream, my weekly live stream. I don't know if can you guys hear me? If you can let me know if you can hear me, as always, pretty much with this. So if you can let me know if I'm being heard, because if not, I will have to start another stream because I don't know if you can hear me because it's not coming up on my end. You can hear me? Okay, can you hear these taps on the microphone? CF495? Welcome, by the way. Can you hear me messing about with the microphone? Because I don't know if this is connected or not. Welcome, Iron Gamer Doom. Welcome back. Welcome back, MT Game Player. Number 4. You can't hear those taps. How about now? Okay. I don't know if this mic is picking me up or not. Let me see if I'm able to check this. Oh. He can hear the tapping. Okay. That is good. Good news. Okay, I just realized I'm lagging up the stream by doing that. Okay, sorry. Okay. So, sounds okay? Sounds good? So I'll get into my first song now. Well, actually, I'll give it a few minutes. I'll let some people come in. So make sure you share the stream on Facebook or on Twitter before we get started. And we'll get some people in here before I sing my first song. I think I should notify people that I am live because I had a scheduled live before this, but YouTube is very weird with scheduled live streams. I don't know if anybody else noticed that. But let's see then. When some people come in, I'll start. Okay, we see some people. There's some people on here now. Okay. 4 people on here. Be sure you like the stream as well. Last week we got 15 while I was live. If we can top that. I think that'd be the amount yet. So you guys still see me? I think you can still see me. I'm just gonna pretend like you still can. Okay. Okay, it's back. That's weird. I don't know what is up with the bloody stream thing today. It's very, very odd. Okay. CF495 says hello. Hello, CF495. Aaron Gamer Do. I'd really appreciate that. Roisin Moore is here. Says hello. Hello, back to you. Matt says he shared the stream on his Discord. Thank you very much, Matthew. Aaron Gamer Doom says YouTube is broken at the moment. Not everybody's getting notifications from people's videos. It is very broken at the moment. There's not much I can do about it, to be honest with you. There's always weird glitches happening on my end. Because it said at one point I had an unstable connection. I don't know why it's saying I have an unstable connection, guys. Why is it doing that? I don't know. It's odd. Come, all you loyal heroes, wherever you may be. Don't tire with any master now, till you know what your work will be. For clear daylight till the dawn. I'm afraid you won't be able to plough the rocks of Bawn. My shoes, they are well worn now. My stockings, they are thin. My heart is always trembling for fear of giving in. My heart is always trembling, boys, from the clear daylight till the dawn. I'm afraid you won't be able to plough the rocks of Bawn. Oh, rise up, gallant Spillane, and give your horses hay, and give them a good feed of oats before you ride away. Don't feed them on soft turnips, but let them graze on your green lawn. Then you may be able to plough the rocks of Bawn. Oh, my curse upon you, Sweeney, boy, you have me nearly wrought. You're sitting by the fireside with your dudesine in your gob. You're sitting by the fireside from the clear daylight till the dawn. I'm afraid you won't be able to plough the rocks of Bawn. I wish the Sergeant Major would send for me on time and place me in some regiment all in my youth and prime. I would fight for Ireland's glory from the clear daylight till the dawn. I never will return again to plough the rocks of Bawn. I never will return again to plough the rocks of Bawn. Welcome, everyone who's just come in. I'm gonna have a drink of water. So we've got Phil, who is back here again. He was in the scheduled. I had a scheduled one up, and YouTube glitched it out of existence, and I couldn't get back onto it. So that's why I don't schedule very often, because there's so many issues with it. But since you're all here, if you hit the like button there, it would be great if we could get around 15 this stream before we end it. So I want to see some of those likes going up there. Phil is here now. Owen, false Owen. Okay, we just got 5, so thank you, everybody. Hello, Mary Barrett, false Ruth. Gurmina Mahagata Sochtaban Shaw. Okay. So this is the 10th stream technically the 11th stream, but the first stream wasn't. It wasn't. I don't want to say the word, but I was singing songs I didn't own the rights to in that stream, so I had to take it down. But since then, we've had 10 more. A lot of you stop by every week, and I really appreciate that. And YouTube film. Hello, Owen Fata. DKFC Gaming, who I think is new here. Thank you for coming here. If you want to subscribe, feel free to do that. It's up to you. He dropped a like as well, and a lot of people are coming in now because we got a few likes there. So if you want to support me, drop a like, because and YouTube starts sharing the video around with the YouTube community more. I think that's how it works. Okay. I have a little list here I made this week. I make it every week, but I usually don't show it, but sure. CF195 says hello to everybody. CF195, who's here every single week, by the way. Kane is cool, who's here every week. This could be his first week that he missed. That could be. Yeah, CF495 is asking where Kean is. If he is not here, then the top supporter will go to none other than the mysterious CF495. Hey BK, A nu E fan. One says he's not very loyal. Okay, so I had a stream a few weeks ago that got 1,000 views, which was very, very nice. I appreciated that quite a bit. And I sang Bantry Girls Lament in that stream, so maybe history might repeat itself. Probably not, but here is Bantry Girls Lament. Until about the fingers now, until sow the corn, until watch the sheep now, making sure they're neatly shorn. The stacks that are in the haggard, untrashed they may remain, since Johnny went trashing the dirty king of Spain. The girls from the Bawn sorrow may retire, and the piper and the bellows will go home and blow the fire. Since Johnny, lovely Johnny, went sailing o'er the main, along with other patriots to fight the King of Spain. The boys will sorely miss you when money more comes round, and the brief that their bold captain is nowhere to be found. The Peters will stand idle, all against their will and grain, for the gallant boy who gave them work now appeals the King of Spain. At Blake's watches the likes you'll never see until you come back home to us, a story no afraid. And won't you trounce the buckings and show them much disdain? For our eyes are not as bright as those you'll find in Spain. If cruel fate shall not permit our Johnny to return, his heavy loss we Bantry girls will never cease to mourn. We'll resign ourselves to our sad loss, die in grief and pain, for Johnny died for Ireland's pride in the foreign land of Spain. Who will plough the fields now, and who will sow the corn, and who will watch the sheep now, making sure their needs may shone? The stacks in the haggard, untrashed, they may remain, since Johnny's gone trashing the dirty king of Spain. Welcome, everybody who is new here. I just made that assumption. I don't know if there is anybody new here, but I hope there is. Let's have a look. We were just asking where Shane is, and he is here. So he is still joint top with CF495. I wonder who's going to win that one. Okay, let's see who else is here. Mamo said she shared and liked. Thank you very much, Mamo. It does not go unnoticed. I do appreciate that a lot. Matt puts a smiley face. Shane says he's loyal, I swear. I agree, Shane. Film says yes, Cian is loyal. CF195 is laughing at Shane. Evil laugh, may I add. Shane says, what's up, Matt? He still is awaiting an answer from Matt. Owen says, who's Cian? I don't know who Cian is. I don't know who that guy is. CF495 says, good job. Thank you very much, CF495, for the unbiased opinion. Shane is cool, said something I don't understand. Film said Cian for Smash. Owen said dab. CF105 said dab. And Film said dab. And I'm going to say no like every single week. Shane, if you want to hit the like button there. I don't know if you have already. If you have, then tell me, because I will be extremely happy. I'm going to grab the guitar now. Don't be doing anything weird while I'm gone. Usually you guys try to plan a mutiny when I go to get an instrument. So it feels so weird going from the two instruments. From the two strings on one to the just... Okay. Nobody really cares, do they? Harmonica. Roshin Seoighe has said hello. I made you a moderator about 3 weeks ago. You didn't show up to my stream, so you couldn't even realize. But it's okay. Welcome, Roshin. All the way from the living room. Welcome, Roshin. All the way from the living room, Roshin Seoighe. Cos mór an Gaeilge. Chas mar sean seachtain seo caite se ó an na Cailceo. Make sure you're going to like on video seo. Mar Thomas a hí ganis gur mí na agus má tá sib nui subscribe má se the hele. If you're new, subscribe, or if you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, I know you don't have to be new to subscribe. I don't know why everybody says that, but if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. What do I have now? I'm on like 630 I hit during the week, which is very good. We're going up like connection problems again then. Most of the lekion golem armad in national law. The show tomorrow because it got hard. The torch and I are ballad. The saga from their blood. Not just a rare care for eat the bud. Attack on. If it's not enough for code of an airball. Mata apple pencil show cut out. It's even on my raw. It's a searing that I hear. It needs to talk. Chishi sundown. Nagus and all the tour. Tamil fog the blint of when King up on the red floor. It's to the lesson naked abroad. Not on the red fosky can't sit. Offer at the boards. It's in drama with a hustle. Instant war. Mullum pain the syrup, we should farshing good a one. We divin vi and cards a cup our bar. See it before the botcha tilta, it's not knock of off a call. It's a king on my fatigue. It's a car and special muscle, it's all look they just about. No clean shell on camera. The one or the Mosing Cailceo show a motor come if it's not before the airball. But the apple place and shoulder up. It's even a my raw. It's sincere that it here. It needs to talk. 12 people are watching tonight. Might be today where you are, and the sun window. Does that look terrible or does it look good? I don't know. Anybody have any thoughts on that? Anyway, I will read the chat while you guys tell me. It's almost majestical. Anyway. Owen says CF495 should be a mod. If you guys make a petition then CF495 may become a mod. If he or she wants it. Again, we don't know who this person is, so how am I supposed to trust this person? Okay. Owen shouldn't be a mod. His film, who is a mod and is testing my patience a little bit. Joke, you're not. It's just a joke. He's not loyal, and it better not be extremely aggressive. I think that was my screen. Owen says he is very proud. That error came up again. I don't know if that's affecting anybody. That's very odd. Anyway. I don't know what's up with the connection, guys. That's very odd. Close the blind. Very out of tune. I didn't even realize. Okay, I'm being told to close the blind, so I shall close the blind. Is that better? No, friend John Spillane fans in the chat. I know Owen is a John Spillane fan. Yes, see if anybody's saying that. It is buffering. That is very odd. I don't know how come that is happening. I'm going to have to fix that for next week, but nothing I can do now. I'm just going to continue with my next song. This is the John Spillane song that Christy Moore played behind me on the Lily album. Here's the ballad of Patrick Murphy. I haven't played in a while. They live beside the river at the turning of the tide. They live beside the river. By the river they live. And they died. Patrick Murphy was a fisherman from the town of Passage West. For his wife and 7 children, he tended to his nets. They were fishing for a living like their fathers did before, dreaming of that salmon. Well, they lived beside the river at the turning of the tide. Lived beside the river, by the river they lived, and they died. Was one moon at night in May, with 3 companions Patrick rowed across to French's Bay, till the bailiff's boat broke down the lee, the dreaded Marathon. They came down from Blackrock Castle with their revolvers drawn. They lived beside the river at the turning of the tide. They lived beside the river, by the river they lived, and they died. Oh, the year 2011, we gathered on the green to remember Patrick Murphy in the beautiful terrain. Oh, the people there remembered that justice wasn't done for the killing of Pat Murphy by the bullet of the bailiff's gun. by the river they lived and they died. At the turning of the tide, they lived beside the river. By the river they lived and they died. Okay, got a bit lost in the middle of that one, I don't know why. Let's see who's here. We've got 12 watching and 11 likes, so if you haven't liked yet, then please do, because we are nearly at 15, and then more people get to see it. This is stream number 10, by the way. Just putting that out there, and I'm grateful for everybody who's come in every week, or every other week, or even just a few weeks. Close it again. Okay, that should be a bit better. We're still having buffering issues. I don't know why, and I'm sorry, I can't fix it for you. But I will try to fix it for next week. So let me see what you're all saying. CF1 says it's okay, it's good again. Because of the buffering, there's a bit of a delay, I think, so that might be a slight issue. But we're coming to the end of the stream anyway, and I think for those who are watching back, I don't think there is any buffering on your ends, I think. If anybody's watching this back, let me know in the comments if there was lag halfway through the stream. Okay. To be honest, and it's buffering again, and I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna wait till that stops so I can say hello to you. Okay. Finbar Healerin says, okay, I thought something was wrong in the Netherlands with receiving, but it's not only here. Luckily, the music is as good as always. You're like, thank you, Finbar. Yeah, it's my end, but I don't know why. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask other people. Are they experience this as well? Because I'm, of course, never had this issue before. So that is quite odd why this is happening. But there's still 11 people here. If everybody just dropped off, that would be disappointing. But thank you for staying with me through this. 11 of you. CF195 says we're getting it. And he or she also says, I think Finbar has been here more weeks than Keon. Now, if Keon is still here, which I have a funny feeling he's not, he might want to answer that question. Finn says, "Tall lag bag." Mamo says, we will all watch it back. Thank you, Mamo, for watching back and encouraging everybody else to do that. CF195 says, keep going. Okay, fine. You're just going to order me around like that? Fine then. Owen says, I was going to go by you. No, I'm loyal. I think it was a typo, but I think he was trying to say, oh, that's karma. The lag. Okay. Here's the last song to put you out of your misery with this lag fest that is happening tonight. I promise you this will not happen next week. I've said this a few times now, and I'm sorry for repeating myself over and over again. Let me see if I can put a harmonica with this song off the top of my head now. So I'm going to give you some song, and then I'll read your chat, and then I will sing the song, read your chat again, and end the stream. Yeah, okay. I'll just read what you say first. Sean Joyce, I just saw you come in here. Sean, Uncle Sean. I think I've been Uncle Sean. Hello, Uncle Sean. Phil says he doesn't think Owen is loyal. I think Owen is extremely loyal because whenever he comes on, he actually time, I think. So this is my second most popular song. on YouTube at the moment. But at the rate it's going at, it's probably going to overtake my number one soon. So I'm going to ask you all to check it out after the stream. Here is Supermac's jingle. I believe it is on. It is. I don't believe. I know it is on my YouTube channel. So if you wanna check that out, it's on like 6.4 thousand views right now. Thirsty. Okay, I'm gonna change the key. I'm a disaster tonight, guys. I am so sorry. This is the Supermac song. So the catch on this was it was supposed to be less than a minute for a competition where Supermacs held, and they had a public vote on it. This was probably 4 years ago. Some of you might remember it. If you do, then you are a veteran of this channel. This is the Supermac's jingle that I wrote for that competition. And I came second. Did I say that? Yeah, I came second in that, and I won a bunch of vouchers. Thirsty workout on the bog, hungry from turf cutting. Meal deal chips and cod for dessert and ice cream muffin. Fresh never frozen beef. Mighty Mac if you're slack. There's tasty and tempting food at Supermac. If you dumped your other half after they told you lies, with friendly stab a laugh, choco cone and taco fries. If you're feeling low after last night's crack, there's tasty and tempting food at Supermac. Fishing on Galway Bay, sailing from the docks, have a and a chicken snack box. If you're feeling tired, get back and relax. There's tasty and tempting food at Supermac. There's tasty and tempting food at Supermac. Supermac, Supermac, if you're feeling low after last night's crack, tasty and tempting food at, tasty and tempting food at, there's tasty and tempting food at Supermac. That is my latest rendition of that. I'm shocked I have not played that on stream yet. And I realized that a few weeks ago, and then I thought I would just keep it for the 10th one, because of course it is the 10th stream title, so you know that already. Let's see what you have to say, everybody. Matt has another smile. This is like the 5th smiley face. Matt is sure one happy guy. Thank you, Matt, for being here. Oh, there's something flying around here. Okay, I'm sorry. Film's a Supermac song, question mark? It is the Supermac song, film. If you haven't heard it yet, which I know you have, but still, just pretend like you haven't. It is on my YouTube channel. And if you guys want to, after I finish the stream, if you want to go over there and drop a comment on that video, say you went there and checked it out, because that would be fantastic. It's one of my favorite videos, although it is old. I usually don't like my older videos, but that's one of my favorite videos I made. I put a lot of work into that one. So if you want to check that out, that's like 6,000 views or something. That would be great if you want to do that. But let me know that you did, so I can thank you. I will reply to your comments. John Chomin is better. No. Finbar says, I know the song, but I've never been at a Supermax. But I will on my next visit to Ireland. I recommend it highly. It's pretty much nationwide, and fresh, never frozen beef. I've already sang my promotional song. I don't need to promote anymore. But I highly recommend Supermax. And the light is coming in, and the blind isn't even open. Oh my gosh. Okay. That went from 0 to 100 in 2 seconds. Film says, do you still have those vouchers handy? I may have blown them all in one go, but it was definitely worth it because Supermax is very, very nice. Okay, so we've just hit 45 minutes, and I am gonna wrap up as I speak. Okay, I think it's time to end this. I'll read what you have to say first. Okay, this is very professional of me. CF1F5 to end, but I will. Because the lag is considerable. As soon as I end the stream, I can't see this chat again. So if you want to drop down on Facebook, Twitter, or in a comment, and check out the Supermac song, please. That'd be great. And you see this, let me know. And I'll click the end stream button. Okay. I will let you guys go. Do whatever you want to do now. I have dragged this